Welcome back to the MathsEmpire channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve a partial fraction. We are given an equation to solve 5 over x minus 2 and x plus 3. So let's solve it together, guys. The denominator is called a linear factor. It's called a linear factor. So, factors. So it's the denominator that will determine how many fractions we have. If you check, we have 2 factors. So we write it as 5 over x minus 2 and x plus 3. Since we have 2 factors, that means we are going to have 2 fractions. The first one is x minus 2. And the second one is x plus 3. Then we pick a constant. We pick unknown constants a and b. The next step is for us to clear this denominator. And how are we going to clear this denominator? Is for us to multiply both sides by the same denominator. So if we multiply both sides by the denominator, we have 5 is equal to a open bracket x plus 3 plus b open bracket x minus 2. Now it's for us to solve for a and b. We are going to use substitution method. Now for us to solve for a and b, we are going to look for a value of x that will make one of these terms. 0, allowing us to solve the other constant easily. Let's find a. To find a, we are going to look for a value of x that once we substitute it as b will automatically be 0, and the value is 2. So we say let x be equal to 2. So let's substitute. We have 5 equal to a open bracket 2 plus 3 plus b open bracket 2 minus 2. We have 5 is equal to 5a. This gives us 0. So a is equal to 1. To find b, we are going to look for value of x. Once we substitute it in a will automatically be 0, and the value is minus 3. Let x equal to minus 3. So let's substitute. We have 5 is equal to a open bracket minus 3 plus 3 plus b open bracket minus 3 minus 2. So we have 5 is equal to minus 5b. Divide both sides by coefficient of b, minus 5. So b is equal to minus 1. Now you can see we have found our a and b. Let's go and substitute into this setup. So we have 5 over x minus 2 and x plus 3 is equal to a is what? 1 over x minus 2 and b is minus 1 over x plus 3, and that gives us our final answer. So if you found this video helpful, do well to hit on the like button, comment, subscribe and share to a friend that needs it. See you in my next class. Thank you.